Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we'll be showing you the integration between SAP ECC and Magento. The touch point for today's video is cross-selling information. So basically, cross-selling information will be entered from the SAP side and it will get reflected on the Magento side. So let us see this happening. So this is our SAP ECC backend. This is our Magento backend and this is our Magento front end. On the right hand side, you can see our AppSy Connect agent. This is the sync panel for AppSy Connect agent. As you can see here, there are two directions of the syncing, ECC to Magento and Magento to ECC. For today's video, cross-selling information will be synced from ECC to Magento, so we'll be using this direction. So let me just quickly show you the status and the products and the categories on the Magento backend. So these are the products that we have in our Magento admin panel, and like these products has also been transferred or synced from ECC. We also have a video for that. Let us check the categories. So we have two broad categories, hardware and software shop, and if you go inside that, you'll find subcategories. So these products are assigned into these subcategories. Okay. So if we go to the front end and log in with a customer or maybe a salesperson in this case, so you can see that he has like he cannot see any category or anything. It just says home page here. Okay, so let's go ahead and assign a few categories to this salesperson. So this salesperson is associated to the company AIT GmbH that we had created. So let us say we include a hardware shop as a whole, and inside hardware shop we include PC items, and maybe drives. Okay. So now on the front end, you'll be able to view the two categories, and if you go inside the categories, you'll be able to see the products displayed in the form of a cart. Okay. Now let's go ahead and check the cross-selling information if we have any here. So let's say we go to a product casing and we check the cross sells here. As you can see, no records found, so that means there is no product that is linked with this product casing for cross selling. Now let us go to our SAP backend. And we'll be showing the cross-selling information here. Let us choose the material 100. So 100 is basically the material casing that we showed right now. And let's say we add a material R1150 to this. So as you can see, 100 is casing and R1150 is diskette drive. And let's go ahead and save this. Actually, we can add multiple products. If we go inside this, you can see we can add multiple products here. So let us just show one product as of now. Okay. So we have a particular touch point that would run here. This touch point is called update price and inventory of product. So a cross sell is associated with this touch point. Okay. So now if we go to the backend and check our products, you can see the quantity. We don't have any quantity here. That is, we don't have any inventory here. So this touch point will not only update the cross-selling information, but also the inventory. So this can be done as an individual touch point, or it can be done as a like a linked touch point that is happening right now. Also, these touch points can be done automatically and manually. For this video, we are showing you how it is done manually. These touch points can be done automatically also, and also real time. Real time is basically we give a time lapse or a particular time in which like interval, like maybe like 5 hours or 5 minutes or a day or something, in which it would automatically run these touch points and sync the products if any updates are there on any of the ends. Okay, so this process is complete, syncing process. Now if we refresh this page, you'll be able to see that all the quantities have synced properly. And now if we go inside casing, that was our product, and we go to cross cells, you will be able to see that the SKU R1150, that is diskette drive, has been added here and the status is enabled. Now if we go to the Magento side front end and we click on casing, so this is our product, and we go to the card view of this. So when we go to the card view, you can see that there is a pop-up called based on your selection, you may be interested in the following items. So this is basically nothing but cross-selling item. So as you can see, this information has been successfully synced between SAP ECC and Magento. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for other syncing videos like this.